Guys, Awesome Pixel here on my second account. Of course, I want to hack on my first. We are doing an egg opening. Okay, no one cares. Egg opening. Let's do this. Okay, color simple egg. I'm pretty sure. Oh, bat. Nice. Okay, come on. Oh, bat again. So many bats. Okay, this is our magical one. Eagle. Nice. Yeah, let's keep on going. I don't really know what animals you can get. That's why I did this, so I could see what animals that they have. So yeah, let's just get into the so many bats. Like, I don't want bats. I'm sorry. Did I get a legendary egg or a magical egg from that last one? I don't think I did. Yes, eagle. Eagles are good. Okay, I thought I'd just exit out of that, and I was like, what the frick just... Ooh, a dog. Nice. Okay, our last one for this part. How much am I doing? So wait, I did 2 before this, so that's 6. And then there's 7, 8, 9. So we're on 9 right now. Really? This one's a rare, and it came in a magical. Oh my god. Yep. Hatch the kickers. Okay. We're gonna level up our pets after this too. So many bats. I'm gonna have a high level bat. Definitely. What? Why's my computer going off? Don't. Computer. Dab. I dabbed when I coughed. That was cool. Not really. I'm a loser. Okay. I just upgraded all of them. Okay. So let's get some more eggs, shall we? Oh, dab. The dab egg. Ooh, yes. Dog. Okay. This is gonna be the dab on him. Dab on him. Dab. Oh. Like they said, dab backwards is bad, but I'm still gonna do it. Yes. I don't know why. I really like this game. And I don't just hack it. I have different accounts. This is my hacked account though, because I gotta make them freaking hatching videos, and you know I can't just get. Okay, stop it, snakes. So let me show y'all my main account. My main account is Awesome Pixel. Why do I have that skin? I accidentally clicked make skin and I did. But this is my unhacked account if you want to go do it or friend it. So yeah. Let me just continue with the eggs. Okay. I don't care. Super incubate. Let's go, baby. Okay. Ooh, dog. Nice. Wait. Oh, simple egg. Come on. This is not good. I didn't even get a magical egg in this. Oh, wait. Was that... That egg at the start was the one that I had. Okay. I was about to say, I was like, I didn't know they were random. That sucks. But it's not. It's okay. You get the 3 right here. So, let's keep on going, baby. So, we're definitely doing 20 plus. So, I'll just name it 20 plus. Because I'm not keeping track of our being hatched right in front of my face. Sorry, I'm sick. I can upgrade my cat. Oh, frick. Super incubate because I thought we were done. Oh my god, these bats, dude. These bats. Wait, that's my last egg. So I'm gonna go level them up. Snakes, you suck. Okay, can't upgrade. Nice. So let's do our super incubate again. Dog. Nice. What? I'm gonna look up what's in the Pixel Gun 3D egg, because I'm pretty sure I have all of them, because this is the only, what? Animals. Pixel Gun 3D. Let's search the images. Which ones? It doesn't show anything. Well, it does show one with the rattler. This is photoshopped. Because the characters don't move like that, but he got animated. It doesn't say anything. All I see is unlimited gems everywhere. I go, like, unlimited gems. Oh my god. You just click on this link, fill out a survey, and you get hacked. It's great. Alright. Snake, aka rattlesnake. Dab. Pretty sure those are the only animals that you can get. So, once they add more, I will do more of these. But as the time being, after this video, not gonna see that much more unless it updates. But you'll definitely see more of the box spinning. Okay. Yeah, I don't think there's any more. So let's see who we can upgrade. Rattlesnake, get upgraded. And we can upgrade you. I'm gonna equip. Oh, he already is equipped. Who's better attack? Oh, he does a lot of damage. Nope. Nope. Eagle's the best. I'm keeping him. Why is there a bat next to me? But there's an eagle next to me. And why is there a bat right there? Huh. Well, lucky spin. Oh yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out!